Please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with all the videos we post in future from totsandmoms.com. Hi guys, good morning and welcome to Tots and Moms. I'm Kavita Prashant and today we are going to make sweet potato and apple puree. These both are a great superfood which can be given to your baby when you are starting on solids without affecting their digestive system. So this can be given to 6 months and above baby. First you can individually give apple puree and sweet potato puree, and then you can start with a combination. It's good to introduce combinations because going further it makes your life easy. So let's dive right in and see how to make apple and sweet potato puree.
To begin with, here I am taking a fresh apple and a sweet potato. I'll peel the skin and chop them as required and keep ready. Meanwhile, in a pan, I'm adding water. I'm following steaming method. You can even pressure cook if you wish. This is a vegetable steamer basket. A link would be given in the description box. If you wish to buy it, you can check it out. This is very convenient when you want to steam vegetables and fruits as well. So here I'm adding chopped apple followed by sweet potato. I have thinly chopped sweet potato because it takes a bit more time than apple to cook. So spread it out evenly, and this helps to steam and to cook quick. Close the lid and allow it to steam for about 10 to 15 minutes depending on the size you have chopped the both apple and sweet potato. So 10 to 15 minutes are done, and as you can see, this apple is cooked, well cooked rather, and sweet potato as well. I'm passing it on to a blender jar. Just do a fork test if you want to be sure if it is cooked or not. When you pressure cook 2 to 3 whistles, it should be sure, but when you pan cook or when you steam it, a fork test. If it is easily getting into the fork, then it is cooked well. So now I'm adding a bit of water, which is from here again, the same water which I used to steam. I'm using it here. You don't have to add up too much water and make it too watery. You want it to be of a good soup consistency, thick soup consistency. So blend it to soft puree. This is again one of my favorite machine when I have to make baby food. This is Wonder Chef ka blender jar. This is again available on Amazon. The link is given in the description. So sweet potato puree is all ready. It is too yummy to resist. Even we would love to have it.
Apart from this puree, there are a lot of recipes for baby, be it puree, be it finger food or porridge. There are plenty of them on our channel, and there are a list of them on our blog as well. So have a look on our blog and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated with all the videos we keep posting in. And if you find this video useful, please don't forget to share it with another parent so that we can spread the word and we can get connected to more people and help me reach that 20,000 subscribers. Be a part of Tots and Moms, and we would be really grateful for that. So thank you so much for watching this video till now, and we'll see you soon in yet another video. If you have any recommendations, please note them in the comment section. So bye bye.